class interval frequency and daily bars. Class interval, it will start from 1000. We'll take the difference of 500, so it will end on 1500. Then 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, 2500 to 3000, 3000 to 3500, 3500 to 4000, 4000 to 4500, 4500 to 5000, and 5000 to 5500. This is how the class interval would go. Now frequencies will be as the first frequency is, we can see that there is only one number which is more than 5000, so 5500 will take at 1. Now 4500 to 5000, 4500 this is 4439. This is less than 4500, so it will not come here. Okay, so there is nothing in this range. Then 4000 to 4500, this is our range for what we look for the number. 4000 to 4500. 1, and 2, so it is 2. Now 3500 to 4000, 1. 3000 to 3500, 1, 2. 2500 to 3000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2000 to 2500. One, two, three, 4, 5, and 6. 1500 to 2000. 1, 2, 3, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So it is therefore 13 times. And 1000 to 1500, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. So it is therefore 20 times. Now if you want to see whether your answer is correct or not, what you can do, you can add all these 3 6 3 9 14 16 17 19 and 20, 2 and 2 4 and 1 5, 50. We were talking about the 50 families and the total frequency is 50. So our distribution is correct. Now we need to make the tally bars. 20, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 1 1 2 0 and 1. So this is how you can divide the data into frequency distribution series. Now the third question, that is, find the number of household whose monthly expenditure is food on less than 2000, more than 1000, between 1500 to 2500. Okay, so third, A, less than 2000. Okay, so less than 2000 are this one and this one. When the person expends 2000, it comes in this category, in this class interval. So these are less than 2000. As it is an exclusive series, so this number will not be counted. Less than this will be counted. So 20 plus 13, it means 33 families. B, it is more than 3000. Okay, more than 3000, it means from here to the end, 2 3 4 5 and 6. Then third, between 1500 to 2500, 1500 and this is 2500. So between these, it means total of 13 and 6, that is 19 families. So this is how we can do this. Now question number 5 on page number 99. It is that in a city 45 families were surveyed for the number of domestic appliances they use. Prepare a frequency array based on their replies as recorded below. How many domestic appliances they use? On the basis of that, the data is collected, and now we need to make a frequency array or frequency distribution series. Now because the data is starting from 1 and it is ending on 7 is the maximum number, so we will make it a discrete series. Now first we need to see the highest and the lowest limit. Lowest, it is starting from 0 and it is ending on 7. So the number of domestic appliances zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now frequency. We need to count all these. How many zeros are there? If we see, 0 are there for one time, then the 1, we need to count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. Then 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 times. Then 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 5. 1, 2. 6 and 7. 7 is there for one time. 6, 1 and 2. 6 is there for 2 times. 7 is there for one time. Now we should total these. 8 and 5, 13, 14, 15, 15 and 5, 20, 24 and 125. Then 3 and 4, 45. That's okay. Now tally bars. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, 4, 5, 1, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2 and 1. So this is how you can solve these questions. Now we have question number 6 to 9 on page number 100. Question number 6, 7, 8 and 9 on page number 100 that you need to solve, and if you have any problem you can talk to us. Otherwise we'll start the next chapter, and that will be the chapter number 5 from this book.